Hello, today I'm going to show you why pi does not equal 4. You may be wondering, why would anyone think pi is equal to 4? On the internet, many people have made videos about why pi equals 4, and this is their explanation, and I will disprove that in this video. First, let's take a circle. A bit better. Okay, now let's put a square around the circle. Let's make it a different color. Okay, now each side of this square is equal to 1. Okay. Now, from this you can probably see that the radius of the circle is equal to 1/2. So then the area of this circle will be equal to, remember that the area of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. So let's plug in 1/2 for r. So when this becomes 1/2, these cancel out and it just becomes pi. So that's the area of the circle. Okay. Now let's change the shape a bit. Let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, so now you see that this area here is, this length here is equal to this length here, but the area in circles is just a bit smaller. So, and the perimeter of this rectangle is equal to 4. Okay, you may see where this is going. Now let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, this seems good. Now look at it. So it has the same perimeter, it's just encircling a smaller area. Now if we make this smaller and smaller and smaller, it'll eventually look something like this. Sorry, I don't know, I'm not very good at art. Okay, it's going to look something like this, it's going to cover the exact same area of the circle, yet its circumference will be equal to 4. And therefore, because the circumference will equal 4, some people say that proves that pi equals 4. But now I will disprove that. Okay, so now let us take a different circle. And let's make it, let's make its radius equal to 1. Okay, so therefore if pi equals, so now let's take pi as 4 for this and show why it doesn't work. So because it's 2 pi the r is equal to 1 and pi is equal to 4 by this, then it's 2 times 4 times 1, which is just 8. That would be the area. Okay. That's, oh, sorry. Not the, that would not be the area. I hope it didn't confuse you. It's actually pi r squared. That's the area of a circle, and I proved that in my last video. It's pretty cool if you want to see. Okay. Now, let's 4 for pi, and then 1. Squared is just equal to 1, so the area is equal to 4. If pi is equal to 4. So, okay, I hope I didn't confuse you too much by this. Okay. Now, let's draw a square. Let's make that a square. Okay. So this side is 1 and this side is 1. So it's about yeah. So the area is just 1 because the area of a square is just the length of its side squared, so 1 squared is just equal to 1. So now we have 1 for that area. Okay. Now let's make this. This is also the radius, so this is also 1. Same with this one. And same with this one. Okay, so now we have 4 squares, and their areas will add up to 4. That will be the same area as the circle, but they are not the same. They don't cover this. They don't cover the same area, because look, there's this large amount of area that the square covers that the circle doesn't. So therefore, the area of the square is larger than the area of the circle, and because if pi equals 4, they will be equal, therefore pi does not equal 4. Okay. So pi is actually equal to something close to 3.14159, something like this. So, and if you're wondering why it equals this, I will do that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.